In this video, I'm going to show you how to divide whole numbers by a 2-digit divisor using the standard algorithm. Remember to use the division steps: divide, multiply, subtract, compare, and bring down. We'll start by dividing the greatest place value in the dividend, which is the 7 in the thousands place, and we're going to divide this by the divisor 14. 7 cannot divide into groups of 14, so we're going to combine the 7,000s with the hundreds place and look at it as 72 hundreds. So now we're going to divide 72 hundreds by 14. 72 can divide by 14 5 times, so we're going to put the 5 up in the quotient area in the hundreds place. Next, multiply 5 by the divisor 14 to get 70 and put it underneath the 72 in the dividend. Next, subtract 72 minus 70 is 2. Then compare the answer 2 to the divisor. The answer should be less than the divisor. If it is, you can move on to the next step. Bring down the 2 from the tens place of the dividend. Next, we'll start the steps all over again. We're going to take our 22 tens and divide them by 14. 22 can divide by 14 one time, so we're going to put a 1 in the tens place of the quotient. Next, multiply that 1 by 14 to get 14 and put it under the 22 in the dividend. Next, subtract. 22 minus 14 is equal to 8. Compare the answer 8 to the divisor 14. It should be less than the divisor, and it is, so we can move on to the next step. Bring down the 4 from the ones place of the dividend. We now have 84 ones to divide by 14. 84 can divide by 14 6 times, so put the 6 in the ones place of the quotient. Next, multiply 6 times 14, which is 84. Subtract 84 by 84, and you get 0. Compare that answer 0 to the divisor 14. It should be less, and it is. There are no more digits to bring down, so the final answer is 516.